On this video, we're going to look at a form of an equation that we've worked with already, but we haven't really put a name to it. So this is called standard form. And standard form looks like ax plus by equals c. And some key pieces of information you need to know about this is that the a is a positive whole number, and there's multiplication that's happening between the a and the x. So the a coefficient and the x variable are being multiplied together. And that's the same with the b coefficient and the y variable. The b is also a positive whole number. C is a constant, so it is a whole number as well. And your plus can actually be a plus or a minus, just depending on the situation. So how do we write equations in standard form? Well, if we're given an equation that looks like this, 3/4 x plus y equals 2, it looks like it's in standard form, but it's not, because our a value, 3/4, isn't a positive whole number. So we need to get rid of that denominator. To do that, we multiply the entire equation by 4. 3/4 x times 4 is 3x. Y times 4 is 4y. And 2 times 4 is 8. So that is standard form. Then we have graphing. So if you're given an equation in standard form, the best thing to do is to find the intercepts. You do that by replacing the x with 0 and solving for y, which we've done a lot of this. In fact, we've already tested over it. So in this case, you would get 0, 2. And then you would substitute 0 for the y, solve for x, and you would get 2 2/3, 0. And that's a little bit about standard form.